ഒരാണിന്റെ കാരണത്താൽ ഹാർട്ട് ബ്രോക്കൺ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? വിവാഹശേഷവും അഭിനയ ജീവിതം തുടരുമോ? പബ്ലിക്കിൽ ധൈര്യമായിരിക്കാൻ ടിപ്സ് തരുമോ? തുടങ്ങിയ ഒട്ടനവധി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുമായി എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ് അഹാനയോട് പ്രേക്ഷകർ. ഷൂട്ടിന്റെ ഇടവേളയിൽ ബോറടിച്ചപ്പോൾ അഹാന കൃഷ്ണ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ സെക്ഷനുമായി എത്തിയിരുന്നു. ഇതിലേക്ക് ഒട്ടനവധി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുമായി ചില പ്രേക്ഷകർ എത്തുകയുണ്ടായി. ഇതിൽ രസകരമായ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ഇൻസ്പിറേഷണൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇവയ്ക്കെല്ലാം അഹാന വളരെ വ്യക്തമായി മറുപടി കൊടുക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു.
Yes, I am shooting for a movie. I can't tell you which yet, but I'm very excited to tell you. So I will tell you at the right time. We're almost done with shoot. We're packing up in another 3-4 days. So yes, I am. Yeah, Aniki, I like my name. Because of course I don't have another choice. But anyways, I like my name, Karnam. It's not a very common name. So yeah, it does have an identity of its own. I like my name. Yeah, I also like myself with a puttu. I should keep it more often. When I feel low, I accept the fact that I'm feeling low. I will cry. I may shout at people. I may say crazy things. Maybe I'll go to sleep. I don't try to escape out of it. I am low when I'm low. For the calendars I make, I think I use Adobe Illustrator, which is a software I learned in college during Viscom. Yeah, I mostly use that, and maybe Photoshop for a little something, but mainly Illustrator. Maybe I have, but it was for the better, because if my heart wasn't broken back then, it would have broken at a later point in time. My heart is smiling today, so it was for the good only. I do believe in a power. I don't know if that power is called God, but I do believe that there is എന്തോ ഒരു പവർ ഇൻ ദിസ് യൂണിവേഴ്സ്. എന്തോ ഒരു പവർ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ഉള്ളതിൽ ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഐ വാസ് വാച്ചിങ് ക്വീൻസ് ഗാംബിറ്റ്. ഞാനത് പകുതിയിൽ കൂടുതൽ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴാണ് എനിക്ക് ഷൂട്ട് തുടങ്ങിയത്. സോ അൺടിൽ ഐ വാച്ച്ഡ്, ഐ ലവ്ഡ് ദറ്റ് ഷോ ആൻഡ് ഐ വെരി ബാഡ്ലി വാണ്ട് ടു കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്. ബട്ട് ഇഫ് ഐ എം നോട്ട് ഏബിൾ ടു, ഹാവ് ടു വാച്ച് ക്രൗൺ ഓൾസോ. Happy birthday, Neha. I hope you have a great day and you have a very, very cute best friend. She's sending questions like this and also happy birthday. I'm glad you like my language skills. Thank you. I don't know. I think I was just fortunate enough to receive good education. I'm just thankful. I can't take credit. So not this one, but this is my shoot in there. But what I usually have is what I think you've asked. It's a diamond ring, which is from the store called Desire in Trivandrum. It's my favorite store for diamonds. To be honest, I don't miss anything much. Karanam, being at shoot or the luxury of being at shoots is not something I enjoy too often. I get to work on films. I get films only once in a while. So when I get a film, I'm like too excited about it. I don't miss anything. Day has been reasonably good. And yeah, I am excited. I'm mostly always excited. I think life is a beautiful journey which you just can't get enough of. I don't want to die and all. I want to live as long as I can. അതെന്താ കല്യാണം കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ ബില്ലൊന്നും അടയ്ക്കണ്ടേ, പച്ചക്കറി ഒന്നും വാങ്ങണ്ടേ? You go to work irrespective of whether you're married or you're not married or you're single or you're committed. Yeah, this is my work and I will do my work. Oh, I honestly like both. I like certain things about iOS. I like certain things about Android. So, touchwood, I use both. So, I'm quite happy that way. I use both iOS and Android. Yes, of course, I'm a feminist. Even you should be a feminist. We should all be feminists. Being a feminist is the most normal thing to be. There's nothing very overtly revolutionary about it. We should all be feminists. It's normal. 2 days ago, I shot in a railway track. I was standing in a railway track and taking pictures. Yeah, it was the first time I did that. So that was the last time I did something for the first time. Pompu is a doll from the store called Miniso. And you can buy it on Flipkart. I don't know what I searched. Maybe Miniso doll, cute penguin. Search that, you may find that. Cry. I shout. I yell. I abuse. But mainly I cry. The person I date should be a real person. not like one made up person. Should be real, should be good with their work. We should be able to sit and have a nice conversation. கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே, பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டில் சௌக்கியமா, நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே, உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் இதை கொட்டது, அது எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டது, ஓஹோ கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே. I think it's coming to terms and accepting the fact that you are born a certain way, and that's what you are. Artist ready what was I saying? So yeah, you are yourself, and you need to accept that. And നമ്മളെ പോലെ വേറെ ഒരാൾക്ക് ആവാൻ പറ്റില്ല, and നമ്മൾ വേറെ ഒരാളെ പോലെ ആകാൻ ശ്രമിക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യവുമില്ല. So നമ്മൾ അതിൽ മനസ്സിലായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ be accepted with yourself, and then you can be confident in public places, private places, everywhere. I am aware of the fact that there is negativity because there is positivity, and when there is positivity there has to be negativity for a balance. So it'll all be there, just let the positivity affect you. Answered way too many questions than I thought I should be answering, so it's a wrap, guys. Toodles.